Never be late for work or school again. Forget about alarms on your phone. Try this smart reminder instead. Hi, I'm Johnny from TechZen. Living in a busy city with heavy traffic means travel times from point A to point B can be unpredictable. That's why just setting a phone alarm to leave for work or school often isn't enough to ensure you arrive on time. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a smart reminder on your phone to ensure you are never late for work or school, whether you are traveling by car, bike, or public transit. Here is a summary you need to follow. Get API key for Google Distance Matrix API. Set up a Google Maps Travel Time integration. Create a reminder automation and test it. Let's first create a required API. Go to Google Cloud Console. Make sure you select Project. If you don't have a project in Google Cloud, please see my other video for instructions. APIs and services. Distance Matrix API. Enable. Go to Credentials for API and Services. Create credentials. Then select API key. Copy the generated API key. Now you have the API key ready. Let's go to step 2 to set up the Google Maps Travel Time integration in Home Assistant. Settings. Devices and Services. Add integration. Google Maps Travel Time. Paste the API key generated in step 1. In destination, put in address you frequently travel to, like work or school. Put your home address in origin. Give it a good name. Once the integration is added, you can find the generated service and entity. Now configure it to make it better for you, like changing the travel mode, traffic model, and transit mode. These options work exactly the same way as you are using the Google Map. After you finish step 1 and 2, the remaining step is super easy. First, we need to create a helper to store your arrival time so it can be changed easily in the future. Settings, Devices and Services, Helpers, create helper, date and/or time. Give it a good name and icon. Create and change it to your desired time. Back to settings. Create an automation. Add a template trigger from the text in my video description below and replace the daytime sensor and travel sensor with your names. Basically, the template checks the remaining time from now to the target time you set in the helper, and then compares it with the travel time in Google Map. The comparing threshold is 0, or can be a preset value. For example, you need 5 minutes to walk to the bus stop. Last, we need a nice notification sent to the phone. The notification has all the information you need. what's for, when, and your commuting time. When you get this notification on your phone, you better take off right away because it's a smart reminder based on real-time traffic. Home Assistant also has a Waze Travel Time integration you could use as well. It does not require an API key, but it's only limited to certain countries and areas. If you are interested, please follow my blog article in the video description below. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.